Before we continue, I want to thank everyone who supports the channel. It gives me opportunity to carry out my projects, the Compass project, the Arctic Scholarship and upcoming projects. A big thank you to all of you. Do you want to support the channel? Become a Patreon or a member. Today's video will be a shorter one. CC Chris is dissatisfied with us flat earth debunker. Let's listen to him.
Okay, alright. Back at the crab meal here on our flat earth. Alright, the steamers are ready. Alright, I melted some butter right over here. Alright, see these steamers? See that little thing right there? That's the way to get the sand out right there. Just pull that sucker right off and all the sand comes out.
Okay, then we know how to get rid of the sand.
And you butter it. Now right over here, you have the soft shell crabs, and these things are just, I can't tell you how much I love these things. You only get them, and they're so filling.
And there you have your crabs. Okay.
Okay, so back to flat earth while things are steaming up here and looking really good. And people always pick up videos of mine, you know, but when you do pick up a video of mine, at least show exactly what I'm talking about and not showing something else from a different video where I was talking about the espresso machine and then the espresso machine and also the Ninja machine.
Okay, Chris, I will promise you, I will never do a video about your microwave or your coffee machine. I promise you.
See, that's the problem. You see how they do this? Because they have nothing to hold on to. They have nothing to hold on to anymore. The earth is flat. We live on a flat land here. We're motionless. There is no space. The globe is destroyed. It's gone. There's no way of going back. And if you're on my channel, then you know. But have some fun. Enjoy yourself.
Okay, so you have never seen any proof of a globe. I will give you some examples here, and I challenge you to explain how these are possible on a flat earth. Good luck! Let's start with the first one. The image taken by Blackpool. It has been covered in several videos. I will link them in the description, and please give an answer why this would work on your flat earth. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Curvature. Mr. Sensible did a great experiment, MAGE, when he sent up a high altitude balloon and took photos of the curvature. I will link his video in the description. Please explain that, Chris. And then one of my favorites. Why do radars and VHF radios have a horizon? Makes no sense on your flat earth. Can you explain that? And the last part. 21st of December, I in the Arctic don't see the sun at all. At the same time in the south of Argentina, they see the sun 7.5 hours. How is that possible on your flat earth? Good luck with this, Chris. Looking forward to your reply. And one more thing. Where is the flat earth map? I've never seen a working flat earth map. Okay, that was all for this time. I hope you liked it, and I hope that CC will reply on this video. Okay, see you next week. Bye.